Good evening. Today we will create a simple case study about Servlet filter as we promised you yesterday. So let's go. Here we have a simple login form with two text field, username and password, and login submit. When user fill his username and password, it would be directed to the login servlet. Okay. Now what we want to do is to record or log the username and his login date and time when he tried to access the login servlet. Okay, so to solve this issue, we could easily use the filter. We will create a login filter and we will put it before login servlet. Okay, so any request come to login servlet, it will be intercepted first by login filter. So let's go to Eclipse. Okay, let's create a new project. Let's give it a name, for example, Servlet filter project. Click finish. Let's create new servlet. Put inside Java tips package. Okay. Okay. Now let's create a login page. Okay. It will contain simple form. Method would be post, and the action would be the servlet which we already created, login servlet. It will contain two input text. Let's give it a name, username, and the second would be of type password, and the name let be password. Finally, we have submit. Let's give it a value, for example, login. Okay. Now let's come back to login servlet and check if we can access these parameters. First, let's print some message to tell us that we are inside login servlet. Okay. So this out executing, for example, login Java. Anything just to help us to know where we are. Now let's get the value of username and password filled by user inside the login form. Request get parameter username. Okay, this username exactly identical to the value of name attribute of the input text here. Okay, second one. Okay, now what we want to do is to check if username is equal to ABC and password is equal to 123. If yes, we'll move to welcome to GSP. Otherwise, we'll return to the login to GSP again. So before we continue, let's go here and create welcome to GSP file. GSP file. Let's give it a name. Welcome. Okay. Let's come back to login servlet. We will check if username dot equals abc and password is equal to 123. If this condition is met, we'll go to let's create an object from request dispatcher class. Set it to null. Okay. If the condition is met, we'll move to welcome to JSP. So R will be equal request to get request dispatcher. We move to welcome to JSP. That's here. We can say success login, for example. Okay. Else we will write system out. Okay, and we'll go to request dispatcher. We go to the login to GSP, so he will try again. Okay, finally we will call forward and pass the request and the response. Inside welcome to GSP, let's print the username we will receive. We can say welcome, for example, equal parameter username. Okay, let's see. Okay, here is login to GSP. If we write ABC and 123 here and click login, okay, it displays welcome ABC. Here executing login servlet to Java and success login. Okay, let's try another thing here. Okay, login failed or failed login. Okay, now everything till here is okay. Now we need to put our filter to intersect the request which is going to login servlet. So let's go. We'll create a new filter. Give it a name inside package Java tips. Let's be login filter. Okay, next finish. Okay. Here, let's print the message. Tell us that we are inside the login filter. Executing, for example. Okay. Now we need to configure the login filter to intercept the login servlet. We can do this inside web.env.web.xml. Let's remove this welcome file, we don't need it. But here the login servlet configuration is not inside web.xml, and also the filter. They are configured using web annotation. So I'll remove this from here because we want to add this definition or configuration inside web.xml. Okay, so let's start with servlet first. Servlet. Okay, servlet has two elements. Servlet name, it would be login servlet, and also it would have servlet class which is Java types the package name dot the class, and then we should have the mapping for the servlet mapping. It will also have two elements: the servlet name, servlet, and the URL pattern element, which is, for example, it would be login servlet. So any request slash login servlet will be mapped to login servlet. Okay, now we need to define our filter also. Also, it has two elements: filter name, login filter, and filter class. Okay, Java tips dot. Okay. Oh, now we'll have also filter mapping, which also contain two elements. The first one is filter name, which is login. And second one is which important one is servlet name. Okay, here we say we want to map the login servlet with login filter. So any request come to login servlet, it would first go to inside login filter. That's all. Let's see now. Let's restart the server. Let's try to insert ABC and 1 2 3. Okay, as you can see here, logging filter is executed first, and then the login servlet is executed and success login is printed. Okay, let's try something. Okay, let's make clear here and say login. Okay, now again the login filter is executed first, and then the login servlet and the failed login is printed. Okay, thank you, that's all.